Hi guys, I'm Jason. I have a small backyard garden and I'm going to show you the process that I go through to start some of my super hot pepper plants. I'm going to take you around. I also have just some regular vegetables and regular peppers. I have jalapeno, habanero, tomatoes, some ghost peppers, and a Carolina Reaper plant. So hang with me and we'll walk through and we'll check these guys out, and I'll show you the process about how getting your own pepper plant started. Now, a lot of these plants haven't produced ripe peppers, but we can at least get an idea of where we're at. This is a red bell pepper that I have growing. See that guy there? And this is kind of a crossbreed. It was supposed to, it was a plant that I actually bought at Home Depot, and it has, I believe, two different plants in here. We have a bell pepper and we have a jalapeno, and it really makes some crazy looking peppers, like this little guy right here. Not sure, I'm guessing it's a jalapeno crossed with a bell pepper, but it's got some peppers that kind of look more like a bell pepper. But you can see how this pepper is elongated, but yet it still kind of looks like a bell pepper. It's pretty cool. There's this big guy. This is my habanero. Get in real close so you can see some of these guys. Really pretty. And here we have some cayenne. Love the shapes on these guys. They get real long and skinny and start twisting. Really cool. That guy there is the hottest pepper in the world. That's my Carolina Reaper. That would be a scorpion. Right there in the back, that's another Carolina Reaper. It's not producing any pods yet, but we'll get there. And over here, that is a Tabasco pepper plant. It puts out some real pretty colors. It almost looks like Christmas. And this is my proudest plant, or the one I'm most proud of. This is ghost pepper. Now these guys are still green, but you can see there's a lot of them on there. So if you do your best, this is what you'll come out with. This is a scorpion pepper that's still green. And of course, jalapenos. Look at that guy. See them all down there. All right. Okay, y'all, so to start out growing, you will need, of course, you'll need some seeds. And in my case, I'll be trying to grow the Purple Reaper. And you can see the little seeds in there. And those right there are the two I'm going to plant. And to do this, what I use is a little nursery, a little mini nursery that we can make a greenhouse effect with. It comes with a little cover, goes over the top, keeps them warm and cozy. And I use a heating pad, and it comes with a thermometer. It's upside down, I'm sorry. So what we'll do is dig a little hole. Doesn't have to be very deep. Grab a couple of your little seeds, put them right there, and just cover them up with a little bit of dirt. not too much. They like to be close to the top of the soil. And of course, we'll add some water. And what I do from this point is put their cover on, set them on the heating pad, and we set our temperature they like it around 85 degrees when the seedlings are starting. So I usually set it for a little higher just to get it started, because the temp sometimes does vary. So we'll leave that. And it has a little thermometer to put in there that you keep with your pepper seeds that you put in the tray. And I'll show you what you'll get. Okay guys, this is some of the plants that I have after I took them out from under the tray and put them underneath a grow light in my home. These plants are a little big for the seedling trays, starting trays that I put them in, but that's okay. These are King Star Lemon Starburst plants. You can see the new growth. They're pretty tall. We're going to transplant those out into solo cups soon. And the solo cup method that I use, like for this guy, you can see the pretty flowers on it. This is a yellow Trinidad Scorpion, and it is big. So I'm hoping to get some peppers from this guy soon before he goes outside, which might be a while because it's almost winter time here. We don't want to put them out in the cold. But I use double cups, and the reason why is because you can fill that with your nutrients or just water and pop this guy inside, and you can see the roots growing on that. You can drop it right down inside there, and you can place it in your grow light. This is what they look like under the grow light. They get all kinds of their artificial sunlight, and don't know, but there you go. Brings it down, and they stay very happy underneath that. And I keep them under here until they're ready to go outside to get their real sunlight. Let them get big and strong. Okay guys, we're going to transplant this guy into my solo cups. So what we'll do, we'll take this, see the roots on that, and just very carefully, sometimes you can push on the bottom, pull that guy out. Look at that. Alright. Take this, and this won't hurt them, but you spray all that off. Look at that. Lay him down here. And I didn't explain this earlier, but the bottom of the cup, sorry, I reuse my cups. I like to recycle. Cut little holes in the bottom so the roots can grow through. Of my first solo cup, before I fill it with dirt. We're going to do it like this. Get some dirt down there in the bottom. And we're going to build his new house. So, from this point, give him lots of water. And once you have that, like I said, this is the one with the holes in the bottom. You can see the water dripping out. And you take your other cup, and you can see I marked it death spiral. This is a death spiral pepper. And what I will do is I will, like I said, of course, the nutrients and your water will go inside this cup. And you'll take this cup with the holes in it and the plant inside the other. And there you go. And this little guy will go back underneath the grow light. So I hope this video helped you decide how you want to do it. If you do want to grow super hots, it does take a lot of your time, but the good thing is that you can grow them anywhere. You can use buckets. You can put them on your back porch. You can do what I did. I have, of course, all of the above, but I built a raised garden bed, as you can see there. And I have some that I've put on the ground, basically a raised garden bed, but flipped upside down. And that way I can put, you can see it kind of sitting over there on this side. There's a tarp that I can put. When it gets too hot, because I'm in South Texas, it gets over 100 degrees down here. So peppers need shade like we do. You know, we get sunburnt. The plants are going to burn also, especially when it's really, really hot outside. So I have a tarp that I can stretch over. You can also see it there. You take this and pull it over the top, like so. So I hope this was informative. I haven't done many videos like this. This will be my first one showing off my garden and my plants. I hope you've learned a little bit. And if you have any questions, always just send me a message. I got you. If I know what to do, I'll tell you. And if I don't, I'll ask somebody that does. So thank everybody for watching my video. And I'll see y'all on the next one.